Hey, it is believed that data is the next oil. That's a fact. As people earned a lot of money in the past from oil, now it's the data. And it's extremely important for us to have a knowledge of the science of the data science. You might have come across these terms a lot: the data science, the data scientist, the scope of the data science. But do you really know what the data science is? You might have a little bit of idea, but are you sure what the data science is? Let me tell you in the simplest possible terms. Alright, so the TikToks and YouTube's algorithm. Have you ever thought that what is something that is deciding what videos to send us? What is something that in the back end is deciding that these are the videos that you might like and we do actually like them? So what is something that is deciding? Actually, they are using the data science. The company is collecting your data, it's analyzing your data, and based on that, it's sending you such videos that you might like. Got it? Our social media feeds, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, your feed is not random. When you scroll through social media, the posts you come across are not random. It's something that is deciding that these are the posts that we must show you. It's the data science again. These social media platforms, the YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, the videos, the posts, they are not random. They are collecting your data. They do track you. How do they track you? They see that what are the videos that you like the most, what are the videos or posts that you spend your most time on, what are the posts or videos that you ignore. So based on this data, that they use machine learning models and they send you the best possible videos or the best possible posts, and you do actually like them. You do agree that yeah, they are relevant. So it's the data science that is being used in the back end. I hope you might have a higher level of understanding of what it might be. Now let's go a little bit deeper. Again, it's gonna be simple. Let's say if a company just guesses that what their customer might like and they recommend such products randomly. So obviously they're gonna lose the customers because they decided this based on what? Based on nothing. They just guessed it. But if a company does a data-driven decision making, what do I mean by this? If a company just takes the customer data, analyze it, find the insights and patterns from that data, and based on that knowledge, if it decides that these are the best possible, products that I must show to a customer, it's gonna gain its, revenue. It's gonna increase its sales. And that's what the data science is all about. Data science includes collecting data, cleaning it, finding patterns from the data, and based on that, it makes the best possible decisions. So if you want to be the data scientist, here are the prerequisites. First, you have to learn the Python, which is the easiest programming language. Then you have to learn SQL for databases, storing data. Then you have to learn statistics, which is extremely important, which is used heavily in the data science. Then you should also have the domain knowledge. These are the prerequisites to be a data scientist. So if you really want to learn data science, follow my channel. From now, we'll only cover teaching data science. I'll be teaching you from Python to statistics, everything you need to learn in very easy way. Thank you so much.